Whispers of the Forgotten Forest. Deep within the heart of a sprawling, ancient forest, where sunlight struggled to penetrate the dense canopy, there lay a place untouched by time. This was the Forgotten Forest, a realm where the trees stood tall and proud, their roots entwined with the mysteries of centuries past. Few dared to venture into its depths, for the forest was said to be haunted by voices from another age that spoke of secrets long buried beneath the verdant cloak of leaves. Among the nearby villages, tales of the forgotten forest were whispered around hearth fires on cold winter nights. Elders spoke of strange occurrences of eerie lights flickering among the trees, of travelers who vanished without a trace, and of a deep, haunting melody that could be heard on the wind when dusk settled over the land. Eloin had grown up hearing stories of the forgotten forest from her grandmother, a wise woman who had once ventured into its depths as a young girl. Her grandmother spoke of shimmering pools hidden among the trees, where water nymphs danced under the light of the moon, and of ancient ruins that bore the marks of a forgotten civilization. Eloin had always been drawn to the mysteries of the forest. From a young age, she would wander along its edge, listening intently for the whispers that seemed to beckon her closer. She would collect herbs and flowers that grew at the forest's edge, their fragrances mingling with the earthy scent of moss and damp soil. Her grandmother would caution her against venturing too far, warning her of the dangers that lurked within the forest's embrace. But Eloin's curiosity only grew stronger with each passing year. She yearned to unravel the secrets of the forgotten forest, to uncover its hidden treasures, and discover the truth behind its whispered tales. One fateful morning, when the sun bathed the forest in a golden glow, and the air was alive with the songs of birds, Eloin made her decision. She packed a small satchel with provisions, a loaf of bread, a flask of water, and a map that her grandmother had drawn many years ago. With a determined gleam in her eye, she set off towards the heart of the forest, where the trees grew taller and the shadows deeper. As Eloin ventured deeper into the forgotten forest, the air grew cooler, and the sounds of the village faded into a distant memory. The sunlight filtered through the leaves in dappled patterns, casting a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. She followed the winding path that wound its way through the ancient trees, her senses alert for any sign of the whispered voices that had drawn her here. Hours passed as Eloin walked deeper into the forest. The trees seemed to whisper secrets to each other, their leaves rustling in a language only they understood. The forest floor was carpeted with moss and ferns, softening her footsteps as she moved silently through the undergrowth. She felt as though she had stepped into another world, where time moved differently, and the boundaries between reality and myth blurred. At last, as the sun began its descent towards the horizon, Eloin came upon a clearing in the heart of the forest. Here, the trees parted to reveal a sight that took her breath away, a shimmering pool, its surface reflecting the colors of the setting sun like a mirror. Surrounding the pool were ancient stones, weathered by time and covered in moss, marking the remnants of a forgotten temple. Eloin approached the pool cautiously, her heart racing with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. She knelt beside the water's edge and peered into its depths, half expecting to see the water nymphs her grandmother had spoken of. Instead, she saw her own reflection, framed by the tranquil beauty of the forest. As she sat by the pool, the forest seemed to come alive around her. The air was filled with the soft murmurs of the trees and the gentle rustling of leaves. A chorus of birds sang their evening songs, their melodies blending harmoniously with the whispering breeze. Eloin felt a sense of peace wash over her, a feeling that she had finally found a place where she belonged. As night fell and the stars emerged one by one in the velvet sky, Eloin lay down beside the pool and gazed up at the heavens. The forest around her was bathed in the soft glow of moonlight, casting long shadows across the ancient stones. She felt as though she could hear the heart-beat of the forest itself, pulsing with the rhythm of nature and the echoes of ages past. In the stillness of the night, Eloin heard a faint melody, a hauntingly beautiful tune that seemed to emanate from the very heart of the forest. It was the same melody her grandmother had described, the one that had drawn her to the forgotten forest in the first place. Mesmerized, Eloin listened as the melody wove its way through the trees, echoing in the silence like a forgotten lullaby. Driven by curiosity, Eloin followed the sound of the melody deeper into the forest. She moved quietly, her footsteps barely disturbing the fallen leaves that carpeted the forest floor. The melody grew stronger with each step, guiding her towards a grove where the trees stood close together, their branches intertwined like old friends. In the center of the grove stood a solitary figure, a woman with long, flowing hair that shimmered silver in the moonlight. She was dressed in a gown woven from leaves and vines, her eyes bright with an otherworldly wisdom. Eloin recognized her immediately as the spirit of the forest, the guardian of its secrets and keeper of its stories. The spirit smiled warmly at Eloin, her voice as soft as the breeze that rustled through the leaves. She welcomed Eloin to the forgotten forest and spoke of its ancient history, the civilizations that had thrived here long before the village had been founded, and the magic that had sustained the forest through countless seasons. Eloin listened with rapt attention as the spirit shared tales of love and loss, of heroes and villains, and of the bond between the forest and those who had walked its paths. She learned of the ancient rituals that had once been performed beneath the canopy of stars, of the creatures that had once roamed freely among the trees, and of the balance that had once existed between the natural world and the spirit realm. As dawn approached and the first light of morning painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, Eloin realized that she had found more than just the secrets of the forgotten forest. She had found a connection to something greater than herself. She had discovered a place where history and legend intertwined, where magic and reality coexisted in perfect harmony. With a sense of reverence, Eloin thanked the spirit for sharing her wisdom and for guiding her through the forest's labyrinth of mysteries. The spirit smiled warmly and placed a hand on Eloin's shoulder, filling her with a sense of warmth and belonging. Then, as silently as she had appeared, the spirit vanished into the depths of the forest, leaving Eloin alone with her thoughts and memories. As Eloin made her way back to the village, her heart was filled with a renewed sense of purpose. She carried with her the stories and secrets of the forgotten forest, eager to share them with her fellow villagers. She knew that she had been changed by her experience, that she had glimpsed a world beyond the familiar boundaries of her everyday life. From that day forward, Eloin became known as the storyteller of the forgotten forest. She would gather the villagers around her on cool evenings and recount the tales she had heard from the spirit, the legends of the ancient civilizations, the songs of the water nymphs, and the mysteries of the shimmering pool. Her stories brought the forest to life in the minds of those who listened, filling them with wonder and awe. The villagers began to see the forgotten forest not as a place of fear and uncertainty, but as a source of inspiration and connection. They would venture into its depths with newfound courage, seeking out the ancient ruins and hidden treasures that Eloin had described. They would listen for the whispers of the trees and the haunting melody that echoed through the forest, knowing that they were part of something greater than themselves. As time passed, the tales of the forgotten forest spread beyond the borders of the village, reaching distant lands and inspiring travelers and adventurers alike. Eloin's stories became legendary, whispered around campfires and shared in taverns, weaving their way into the fabric of folklore and legend. But for Elowen, the true magic of the Forgotten Forest lay not in its tales or its mysteries, but in the sense of wonder and connection it had awakened within her. She knew that she had been chosen by the forest, that she was bound to it in ways she could not fully comprehend. And as she looked out over the village she loved, surrounded by friends and family who had been touched by her stories, she felt a deep sense of gratitude. For in the heart of the Forgotten Forest, Elowen had found not just adventure and mystery, but a place where dreams came alive and the whispers of the past echoed through the ages. And as long as there were those who believed in the magic of the forest, its stories would continue to be told, weaving their way through the tapestry of time like the branches of the ancient trees.